This is a driver's side sun visor out of a Subaru Forester, and as you can see, it has broken off. This little plastic piece along with these two screws would go up to bolted up to the roof side. It has been broken off to these pieces, and for some reason, I don't know why, I guess it's about money, Subaru doesn't sell you just this piece. They sell you this whole thing for like 70 bucks. And I'm not doing that. So what I'm gonna do is, I think, go to Home Depot or Lowe's, get some washers or inner tooth washers, and to lock this down so it doesn't slide down anymore. Because like right now, if I bolt this up there, this whole visor will just slide down. So I'm gonna go get some washers or something to have this in place. But I think what I need to do is to shave this part off, this broken piece, to make it flush. So I'm gonna head to the store first. Okay, this plastic piece is shaved down, kind of flushed now. Okay, so what I have here is, I got the 5/16 flat washer. That's a 5/16 and that's a 3/8. These are the interior tooth or teeth washers. So what I'm gonna do is put this in here, put the flat washer on top, go past this little flange here, and then lock this down with the interior tooth washer. So whichever one fits, I'm gonna try that. So I'm gonna put the camera down. So I ended up using the 3/8 interior teeth lock washer. The other one was too small to go past this little taper point, but this one, the 3/8, it's a little bit too big. So I grabbed a wire cutter, cut this open, and use a pair of pliers to kind of like push the whole thing in, kind of cinch it down. So now it's not going anywhere. So this saves me about 65, 70 bucks. I only pay $278, not even $3 to fix this. So if I now go back to the car, if I put these things on, it's not gonna go anywhere, and it shouldn't.
Okay, screws are in, they're tight, and check this out. What that tells me is the washer and the inner teeth locking washers are doing the job. This is not going anywhere. Flip it up, no problem. Flip it down, no problem. So hopefully this is helpful for you guys who own a Subaru that have the same issue.